If you're considering Kinsta for your web hosting needs, there are a few things you should know before making the leap, especially when compared to other popular options like SiteGround or Bluehost. This video will cover 12 key aspects of Kinsta that will help you make an informed decision. First, let's talk about performance. Kinsta stands out with its top-tier speed, thanks to the fact that it runs on Google Cloud's premium network, which is a clear advantage over competitors like SiteGround. You'll notice faster load times for your website, and this can make a real difference when it comes to keeping visitors engaged. Next thing, let's look at Kinsta's pricing. While it may not be the cheapest option out there, its pricing is in line with the premium service you're getting. Other hosts like Bluehost might offer cheaper plans, but with Kinsta, you're paying for exceptional performance and support. The third thing to keep in mind is customer support. Kinsta is known for offering stellar 24/7 customer service via live chat. Their support team is highly trained and can assist with complex technical issues, something that many budget hosts, like HostGator, struggle with. However, some may find that Kinsta's pricing reflects the value of this exceptional service. Now, the fourth thing to note is Kinsta's user interface. The dashboard is sleek, intuitive, and easy to navigate. It offers a level of simplicity that can be a bit more advanced than what you might find with others like WP Engine, but it's still approachable for beginners, making it perfect for those new to website management. The fifth thing to consider is the backup options. Kinsta offers automated daily backups with the ability to restore any backup with just one click. In comparison, many other hosts like SiteGround charge extra for backup services, which is something to keep in mind if your website is mission critical. Next, let's talk about security. Kinsta takes security very seriously, with features like free SSL certificates, hardware firewalls, and regular malware scanning. While most hosts provide basic security, Kinsta goes above and beyond, protecting your site proactively. The seventh thing you'll want to know is scalability. If your website grows, Kinsta makes it easy to upgrade your plan and keep up with increased traffic. You won't find any issues like with other hosts, where you might need to switch to a completely new provider when scaling up. The eighth thing is Kinsta's server locations. They offer a network of data centers in multiple regions across the world, ensuring that your website will load quickly no matter where your visitors are. Competitors like Bluehost and SiteGround offer limited server locations in comparison. Next thing, let's touch on the staging environment. Kinsta makes it super easy to create a staging site with just one click. This is invaluable for testing updates and changes before pushing them live, something other hosts may charge extra for or complicate. The 10th thing is Kinsta's free website migrations. If you're moving from another host, Kinsta provides free migrations for most websites. While other services might charge you for this or make the process difficult, Kinsta makes it a seamless experience. The 11th thing you need to know is their uptime guarantee. Kinsta has an impressive uptime of 99.9%, which is crucial for keeping your site live and accessible. While other hosts like HostGator might offer uptime guarantees, Kinsta's reliability is particularly noteworthy for high-traffic sites. And the 12th thing is the performance monitoring. Kinsta's dashboard provides real-time performance monitoring, so you can keep an eye on your website's health and performance. This is an essential feature, especially for businesses that need to be on top of any potential issues. All in all, Kinsta is an excellent hosting provider, especially if you're looking for high performance, security, and support. However, if you're after a more affordable option with similar features and want to try it for free, check out our recommended solution in the description.